Today we're going to be talking about the 4 best budget washer and dryer sets. We're standing here in front of the Hot Point top load set with the matching electric dryer. This is your bare bones, super simplistic, easy to use machine. As you can see, knobs, very large font print on the control panel, and right around $1,000 for the laundry set with an electric dryer before install and all of the things. This is our go-to set here whenever it comes to somebody who says it's a rental, or they want to keep things super simple, or they want to spend the least amount of money. They have great reliability ratings. It's still a decent sized drum at 3.6 cubic feet with an agitator. Still has a lid lock, has all the water levels you could need, all the settings a normal everyday customer is going to want. But if you were looking to get more water levels or more control over the water, or a larger drum like a 4.6 cubic foot or so, stepping up to the sister brand GE, you're going to move up to around probably $1,500 whenever it comes to the price point for the set with an electric dryer. But what it's going to gain you is a lot more flexibility, a little bit of a stronger motor, and a larger drum on the inside. So conversely, not here on the floor, but Amana and Whirlpool would be the other two names that would come to mind for a budget laundry set. A similar story in that Whirlpool is the larger organization there, and you're going to step up into that Whirlpool set to gain some capacity, some features, some settings, some water control. And the Amana is the much more bare bones and simplistic model. Again, price point wise, you're probably looking at $1,000 for the entry level, more along the lines of $1,500 when you're going to get that step up and gain that capacity, gain that control. So regardless of what your budget is, come on into Don's Appliances and we can get you taken care of.